Hello guys, have you come across this kind of videos on TikTok, on YouTube and on Facebook? You might be wondering, this AI fusion video, how come it has a lot of views? If you're seeing the kind of views as this AI video used to get anytime that they publish it, is because of why this is what is trending right now. And for you to learn this particular thing is for you to sit down and watch this video from the beginning to the end. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make an AI fusion video. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the animal aspect and the human being aspect of it. Okay, and now the one that is trending is the animal aspect of the AI fusion video, whereby you use your AI, your ChatGPT, use it to use it to generate a prompt, okay, about how the image will look like. Then you use another software, another application software to do the video together. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do all this separately. Why this Donald Trump video that I just made just now? This is the trendy one. For me, this is the trendy one that is for, like, if you've not seen this kind of video before, you think maybe it's Donald Trump that is talking. No, it's not Donald Trump that is talking. It's what it is, an AI video. You just pick the image and do the needful. You use and like as I said earlier, you use ChatGPT to generate a prompt about how the video is, about what the person will be saying. You understand? You use AI to do that. Then after which you use another application software. I'm not going to make mention of it, okay, before you now go on, but you must watch this tutorial video for you to get it right. Okay, so if you're seeing me for the first time, do me by liking this video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's head on to the tutorial section of this video.
Now, first of all, what you do is that you go to your ChatGPT, which is your AI. Okay, so you go to say give me prompt of Donald Trump introduction. Okay, so we should leave it this way. Now here's what I say. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my instinct honor to introduce a figure. Can you see this prompt? So this is where it stops. So what we'll do now, we'll copy it to our keyboard. Okay, copy. Then you go to this application called Parrot. You click on it. So let's go back. This application, you can find it in Google Play, or you can find it in App Store. Sorry. So you go down. Let's use, as you can see, all here is Pro. Can you see Elemus is Pro? All these artists, they are Pro. Until you upgrade, that's when you can use their face. You understand? But we have to use the free ones now for the sake of this tutorial video. Let's use Donald Trump. Okay, so now you impute those right up. We copied. So what we'll do next now, we'll delete the unnecessary part of the right up here. Okay, and you can also generate this without using an AI, but I choose to use AI for mine. Okay, now I think we are good to go now. So you click on continue. Okay, they say please keep the text under 300 characters. So create 300 characters. Split your content into multiple videos for if you have to. Okay, so now let's delete some of this right up for the sake of the video, because they complain that the video deleting is too much. Okay, this 370, it must reach 300. I think it's okay here. It's okay like this. This 278/300. So let's continue. So we'll click on continue. So our video is creating. So I say creating video. So we'll just wait for some minutes. This is how to create a faceless video on YouTube. For instance, now you want to use this one to create content to post on YouTube. Your video will not be flagged because why? It's an AI video. Okay, so let's play it. Let's see.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct honor to introduce a figure whose impact on business, politics, and global discourse has been both significant and far-reaching.
This is how to create
a real estate mogul, television personality, and the 45th president of the United States, Donald J. Trump.
But watching the video like this on any platform, you feel maybe is the direct person that is talking. It's not like the direct person that is talking is an AI. Okay, so don't be deceived. So you can actually do this and post it on any platform. Post it on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, any platform. You can easily start creating your own content. Okay, and as you all know, I got this update 2 days ago, so I decided to share it with you. So if you like my video, if you like the video I'm sharing on YouTube, please like and don't forget to share for me to grow faster. Okay, so now we'll back to the video. So what we'll do next is to save this video. Okay, let's click on save. Let's click on okay. They say video will be saved to camera roll, so we should go to our gallery and check it for confirmation. Okay, look at it in gallery. So can you see it? The video is playing, so you can actually post this video in any platform. Okay, so this is how to do this kind of video. So if you're seeing me for the first time, please like and share.